Okay.
Hello everyone, we are seniors of National Taipei University. This is Catherine, Ashley, Elena, Edward, and I'm Sylvia. Recently, we plan to go to our graduation trip. After our discussion, we think Japan is the best place for our trip. But now we are facing a dilemma of choosing which place as our destination. First is Hokkaido, the northern parts of Japan, or Okinawa, the southern parts of Japan. We think both places have their own attractions. We can't make a decision. So we searched for some information and data about weather, tourist attractions, and the number of tourism. Now, let's invite Elena to show us weather comparison between these two places.
Hi, I'm Lena. I'm going to analyze the two places for you about the weather. And first is the weather of Hokkaido. And let us start by looking at the temperature part. And we can see from January to March, it remained constant. And from March to August, it go up considerably and reach a peak in August, about 22 degrees Celsius. And after August, a considerable drop occurs and the temperature dropped down to about 0 degrees Celsius. And as to the precipitation, it keeps hovering around, but the rain is also, the average is about 80 millimeters. So to sum up, Hokkaido has sunshiny weather in summer, and it also has cold and snowy weather in winter. And next is the weather of Okinawa. And because Okinawa's climate is subtropical, so the temperature keeps above 15 degrees Celsius. So let us focus on the precipitation part. And we can see that the whole precipitation concentrate on the summertime, from about May to August. So we can see that it also has a shiny summer. We should avoid the typhoon season. And next, Ashley will tell you the tourist attraction for you.
So, I found some famous places on travel website and sort them by 5 different categories: nature, building, activity, shopping, and food. In Hokkaido's pie chart, you can see the building take most part of it, because Hokkaido is a historical ancient city, so there are more old buildings and the Japanese food you can try. And in the Okinawa pie chart, you can see the nature take most part of it, because Okinawa is a vacation paradise, so you can see the beautiful landscape or go shopping in there. And compared to this chart, we can know that if you like swimming, diving, or go shopping, like Catherine, maybe you should go to the Okinawa. But if you like traditional Japanese culture like Elena, maybe we should go to Hokkaido. So then let's let Edward to introduce more information about this place.
I'm Edward. Okay, now we can check the number of people who visit Hokkaido and Okinawa. These data are from Japan tourism agency. And the one in blue circle is Hokkaido, and the red one is Okinawa. Hokkaido, the ratio in 2002 reached the peak at 9.1. In the same year, Okinawa only gets 3.6. Both of them decreased after 2003. The ratio of Hokkaido fluctuates between 4 to 6.4. However, the ratio of Okinawa remains stable under 2.5. Let's do the figure in this year from January to March. The number of tourism in Hokkaido reached 1,370,000. But Okinawa only gets 590,000. Therefore, we can find that the number of people who visit Hokkaido and the people who visit Hokkaido is more than is in Okinawa. And Hokkaido is much more popular than Okinawa. Then Catherine will give us the conclusion.
So, after hearing all this information from my colleagues, we can come to a conclusion. Let's first compare the weather parts of Hokkaido and Okinawa again. Since we decided that our graduation trip will take place in July, we can see that Hokkaido reaches the temperature around 20 degrees, and it has around 80 millimeters precipitation. Besides, Okinawa has in July the hottest season. So the temperature reaches around 28 degrees and it's around 190 millimeters precipitation. Looking at the attractions, you can say that Hokkaido offers more buildings and local food, which means that we would experience a more traditional Japanese culture. However, Okinawa is more about enjoying nature, going swimming and shopping. Going back to the tourist information, you can say that Hokkaido is a much more popular place to visit according to the Japan Tourism Agency. Although, if you want to focus more on enjoying the nature and the silence, you could rather go to Okinawa. Our question for you now is, where would you like to go for the graduation trip? Thank you for listening.